Hi everyone, this is Mr. E of Cooking with Mr. and Mrs. E. Today we're going to make one of my favorite sandwiches. It's called a BLT, only this time we're going to make it special by adding an egg. So instead of a BLT, it's a BELT. Bacon, egg, lettuce, and tomato. I'm going to pick out some bacon here. I like my bacon to be nice and lean, and I like it to be cut real straight. Don't buy bacon that looks like this, it won't cook properly. Alright, let's open her up and get it in the pan. Start with a cold pan and don't crowd the bacon. To cook extra crispy bacon, cook it low and slow and turn it over often. And be sure not to burn it. Drain it on a paper towel. Start your toast, then start your eggs, and they'll be done at the same time. I'm going to use a little cooking spray. I'm going to cook 3 eggs. Start with a pan that's already warm. Now I'm going to flip them over. And if you want your eggs runnier, you can leave them sunny side up. Now we're ready to assemble our sandwich. First the egg. Then the bacon, extra crispy. Then some lettuce. Then tomato. And it wouldn't be a BLT or BELT without some mayonnaise. Always best foods. Or Kewpie's pretty good too. And there you have it. The BELT. Time for lunch. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like and share us with your friends. Zaijian, Xie Xie, goodbye, thanks, see ya.